Hey guys, we're just in the workshop. I've just got to do a couple of repairs. The T5 isn't dumping the pressure correctly, so we think there's a problem with the prime valve. What I'm going to do is take the prime valve out, give it a good clean, reassemble it, and just double check it. If it's got a load of crap in there, that's fine, but if not, I'll just order a new one and refit it. But fitting a prime valve is pretty straightforward. There's a pin that goes all the way through here, so all you've got to do is tap down until the pin comes out. Okay, you can remove it all the way, but it just pops off. It goes through here, look, see there, it goes through there. So all you've got to do is put that back on and put the pin back through. So what we'll do in a second is just, I'm going to leave that in there because there's nothing worse. I've lost this so many times, so just leave it in there. Okay, this pops off. Okay, it's all plastic, all of that. I'm just going to drop in some gun cleaner. Okay, and then what we do is remove the prime valve. I'll give this all a clean round here as well. I'm going to give this a good clean. Look, the chances are, it's just all that, and that's actually rock solid. So I'm going to give that a good clean inside. I'm going to drop this in cellulose, just get pipe cleaner through, just give it all a very good clean. Put it all back together, give it a test, but I'm more than sure that that is what's going to give us a problem. It's rock solid on there. So drop that in there for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to give this a good clean. It looks fine inside, looks absolutely fine. So okay guys, literally just a few minutes later, we've given it a good clean. Okay, just a couple of bits. Okay, so it's all had a good clean. These bits have had a good clean. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of TSL to that. That's got a leak in it, so that's helpful. As you can hear, we're on a farm. It's quite nice this time of year. Got all the little ducklings.
Except they're chickens.
Is that what they are?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Right, I'm not going to over tighten on this one. Okay. You've got to get this straight. So the easiest way to do it, like I say, is just level it up. Okay. This has a little pin that goes in down the bottom, and you know you've got it when it's in there. The trick is to get this pin out without losing it. So I use moles, and then it's still on the moles. Okay, put this back. It is a bit of a challenge, okay, to get the pin back in. Don't force it. And it's in. Okay, so what we're going to do is put this back together. Okay, well, it's back together. What we're going to do is put some power to it, get some water, and just make sure it all flushes. If that hasn't worked, then the chances are I've just got to buy a new prime valve. They're not overly expensive. We've just fixed the prime valve. It wasn't working. Okay, we couldn't get it to dump correctly. So what we've done is removed it, cleaned it, put in a bit of cellulose, and now what we're going to do is show okay, and then what we'll do is just all sorted.